Introduction. Friends, today we will review Pink Woolf Luxury Shaving Soap, which has good natural ingredients and comes in premium shaving soap category. Let's start shaving. Ingredients. Let us look at the ingredients of the Pink Woolf Oud and Sandalwood Luxury Shaving Soap. The natural ingredients used are coconut oil, olive oil, castor oil, almond oil, wheat germ oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, kokum butter, sandalwood oil, patchouli oil, agarwood oil also known as oud, comfrey extract, aloe vera extract, licorice extract, rose, hydrosol and turmeric extract. There are no harsh chemicals used. The fragrance of this shaving soap is heavenly scent of mild sandalwood and oud. The shaving soap is hard in nature. It is good for people who like sandalwood fragrance. Demo. Let's start the shaving demo. My beard is 1 day old and I do shave on a daily basis. As per the directions, I will drop a few drops of water on the soap. Now I will rotate my shaving brush with synthetic hair on the shaving soap for at least 30 seconds till I start getting a lather. As you can see, the lather formed is quite good. By the way, the shaving razor I am using is Gillette FlexBall Fusion Pro Glide. I am able to shave quite smoothly. The shaving razor glides pretty smoothly on my skin. Any shaving soap creates a cushion between the razor and the skin. It raises the hair so that they can be cut easily for a smooth shave. Well, I have completed my second pass. I will now wash my face and check the results. As you can see, the result is quite good and I am satisfied with my shave. A surprise gift I received with the Pink Woolf Luxury Shaving Soap is a free sample of Pink Woolf Oud and Sandalwood Aftershave Gel. The main ingredients here are hemp seed, caffeine, besides oud and sandalwood. It is suitable for oily skin, which I luckily happen to have. It is free of paraben and made in India product. You just need a little bit of aftershave gel to apply. The aroma is mesmerizing. It is moisturizing and does not feel greasy. There is a stinging sensation initially. It soothes irritation and razor burns. Final words. Pink Woolf is a luxury brand which makes many shaving products like pre-shave oil, shaving cream, shaving soap, shaving brush, natural and synthetic, double-edge safety razor, double-edge safety blades, aftershave gel, balm and lotion. Pink Woolf products are all made in India. Pink Woolf Luxury Shaving Soap is a combination of moisturizer, natural oils and premium lathering agents that provide a cushioning layer between the blade and skin. This tub will last for a very long time. There are two other luxury shaving soap variants from Pink Woolf, Oceanic Blue and Seabuckthorn and Aloe Vera. The MRP of Pink Woolf Luxury Shaving Soap for a 50 grams tub is Rs 499, but it is currently selling for Rs 359 online. In case you wish to buy it, I will leave a buy link for you in the video description or pinned comment. Thank you for watching my video, and for more such useful videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.